As you can see, this storm has just taken over the whole neighborhood. The snow is coming down very hard. The wind is blowing. Nobody is getting through. It's going to be a long day waiting for the snow to stop. Schools are closed. People are home from work. When will it end? I don't know. Well, I'm heading back to the house now before I get stuck out in this crazy blizzard. As you can see, my footsteps. Yep, you can see them. As we come down the driveway, you can see all the snow stuck to the trees like glue. Like wet snow to trees in the wintertime. And as we approach our house, we can barely see it because the snow is coming down so hard. You see the light on up there by the door? No, you can't. So anyway, there's the wide open spaces of the natural gas line. Yep, that's going to blow shut with all this wind. If that tree comes down, it's huge. That would make a mess. There's Cooper, you see him? Barely. You can barely see him. Hold steady for a moment. There, see him? He doesn't know what to make of it. I think I'll head back in, put another log on the fire, drink a cup of coffee with my beautiful wife. As you can see, these footsteps were just here a minute ago and they're getting covered up. See, Cooper can't wait to get in. He's going crazy. Okay, Coop, let's go. Let's go before this wet snow melts. Signing off. Till next time. There's the cats. They went out and checked it out and they came right back in. They couldn't handle it. See you soon.
Hey, guess what? Judy just called me and Barbara closed the offices.
Yay!
Which Judy
It's so
said,
bad that they closed the administrative office where Barb Rupp works. That is huge. I think it's just because it's the first snow day of the year and they are all excited. Maybe not. Maybe this is a huge storm of historical proportions.
Judy said it's very unusual for Barb to close like that.
She was desperate.